the last thing that we wanted to do was just have a bit of a live demo of one of the prototypes that our labs team has built. We're really curious about AI and how it's going to shape experiences and how it can improve experiences and perhaps make them more magical for people. So one of the things that the team will be playing with is something we call conversational AI. So it's using the voice as the interface and starting to think about how you can have conversations with brands or use that as a way to improve the experience. So I think we have it up on screen now. We've built one specially for Westfield as a demo. It is a demo, so kind of white knuckle live demo, but let's give it a go. If we imagine, this is something that perhaps could be used, in the shopping environment. So let's go. Let's give it a call.
Hello, are you ready to explore Westfield London? Tell me what you're looking for, and I'll help you find stores, discover promotions, or get directions to your favourite spots.
I'm at Westfield with 5 friends. We're into sports. What can you suggest that we do that's fun?
That sounds like fun. For a group of friends who are into sports, I highly recommend Toka Social. It's an immersive football, gaming and dining experience that's perfect for a lively group. You could also check out Putt Shack for a game of mini golf or all-star lanes for bowling. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
What about lunch? One of my friends is vegetarian, but we like Italian food.
That's great. Italian food is a fantastic choice, and there are many options that cater to vegetarians. You could try Pizza Express or Pizza Pilgrims for delicious pizzas, or Zizi for a wider range of Italian dishes. Spaghetti House is another excellent option.
Fine. Thank you very much. Very helpful. So yeah, kind of interesting that you can have those sorts of interactions and use it as a way to perhaps plan your events or and I always find it's kind of interesting. You could call it complementary AI, though it's sometimes perhaps a little too polite. But I don't know, Grace, how do you see it? These sorts of tools, are you seeing it being used?
Well, I think it's first and foremost it's fun, isn't it? And I think it could be the next evolution of wayfinding, using tech to bring in something a bit more exciting. Obviously, we have concierge, and how can we use that within there? But retail groups within Westfield can start to use it on more of a personalised product sort of conversation, and being able to have it on your phone and kind of not having to try and search for a totem pole to find where you are. That's really, really exciting. And you can think of all of the different languages that you can put it in, and the different voices and celebs and things that you can put it in. So it really opens up a whole new category of enhancing a retail experience.
Yeah, and the language, being able to do it in multiple languages is obviously really, really stunning.
I think having an interactive directory, I don't know what cohort of people you might consider me and the target audiences of Westfield, but I don't put me on dwell time KPI because I just want to get in and out. So for me to go in and be able to interact with something like that versus having to look at a static directory, hey, where can I get a non-basic dress for a wedding and give me 3 ideas, that's,
and that sort of natural, the natural language interpretation, I think,
completely
is super interesting as well. It's less structured, right?
Yeah.
Than maps, say, for example. I don't know if that's...
Yeah, well, it's definitely an autonomy building because it's incredibly personalised. I think also what's interesting is there is good research now that shows actually we're far less socially inhibited talking to chatbots than talking to a person. So actually you might get people asking questions in this environment that you wouldn't get ordinarily because they don't want to do it.
Think of the ton of learning that you'd get from all of that.
Yeah.
I think everyone is really starting to understand, like shoppers are understanding how AI works and what to prompt. And so this kind of evolution into a more physical space just feels pretty seamless.
Yeah, great. Well, this perhaps is the topic of the next FYI session. But thank you so much to all of you. I mean, really rich discussion. Really enjoyed it. So Grace, Guy, Sarah, Ewald, thank you so much, and thanks for joining us. And do join us for the next one.